You see, I've accepted with every inch of my being, every DNA, that I have absolutely no idea if the next trade will be the best trade of my life or if it will be a small loss. No idea. Perhaps it's the moment now where I tell you that every single time that I go into a trade, I will go for the jugular. I will go in thinking this is going to be an amazing trade, and I will want to squeeze it for every point that I can get out of it. So I always get quite annoyed and disappointed when I get stopped out and it turns out to be a nothing. I know with every fiber of my body that if I'm not disciplined and prepared mentally, I can experience what I experienced during the flash crash of 2010, where I, on paper, was technically broke. All the money that I have made over the last decade of trading were eventually wiped from existence. And the only reason, by the grace of God or whoever else was looking after me that day, the broker's automated stop system didn't kick in. And those of you who remember that day, and some of us remember it very vividly, you'll know that the flash crash actually only lasted a few seconds, the really, really bad part of it. It was still pretty bad, but it recovered relatively quickly, followed down by another attempt, and then we started climbing up till near break even. And on paper, I was wiped, but when all was said and done, I had lost 2,000 pounds. And I assure you, ladies and gentlemen, that was the happiest 2,000 pounds I have ever lost. I'm not a fortune teller, meaning I don't go into the trading day thinking I know what's going to happen. And I get quite annoyed when I speak to my friends and colleagues. You know, they're great people, but it annoys me when people say, Dow's headed for 30,000, I know it. So, well, then put the position on, but don't bore me with it. I want to have a complete free mind. I don't want to be told what you think because it will sway me. I want to have a blank canvas when I trade. Because I know that in order for me to avoid being like the 90%, I need to think completely the opposite of the 90%. And the 90%, they're engaged with targets. Oh, the Dow is going to go here, and then it's going to go here, and Elliott wave analysis perpetuates those things. I don't want to do that.